Good morning, everybody. I'm Deanna Sauceda, 25 minutes past the hour on your Tuesday. Here are some of this morning's top stories. Valencia County Sheriff's deputies are looking for the gunman who shot a sheriff's deputy last night. Deputy Joe Martinez was shot in the shoulder after a traffic stop. His condition has not been released. Shortly after 8 last night near Los Lunas, he was investigating an abandoned car. Now, 2 people overpowered him, took his gun, then shot him at least once. The suspects were last seen driving a silver sedan car. They're believed to be Mexican nationals. If you have any information, please call authorities. And state police are investigating a shooting involving an officer in Curry County. Sheriff's Department there says one person was shot by a DeBaca County Sheriff's deputy on Highway 6084 near Melrose yesterday afternoon. Curry County Undersheriff Wesley Waller says the shooting stemmed from a chase that started somewhere in DeBaca County. The unnamed suspect was taken to a Lubbock hospital, and he is expected to be okay. Albuquerque police say a drunk driver was driving down Coors the wrong way. A drunk buster's call came in around 7:30 last night. It reported the man was going south on Coors in the northbound lanes north of I-40. A retired APD officer spotted the car and followed it until other officers arrived. The unidentified man ended up blowing out 2 tires, but he kept driving on those rims, and the spark set the car on fire near Sequoia. Officers arrested the driver for DWI. No one was hurt. City of Farmington has adopted a 6-month moratorium on business licenses and land use approvals for medical marijuana producers. The city says it will move quickly to redevelop zoning regulations, but the state is warning the city really has no authority to regulate the program. State Health Department says it will continue to approve producers in Farmington as needed. Time now for a quick look at our weather. Here's meteorologist Kristen Van Dyke. Good morning, Kristen.
Good morning. Beautiful start to this Tuesday morning. It was a gorgeous sunrise, and we're going to see a pretty nice day with a mix of sun and high clouds across most of the state. The weather will still stay unsettled over in the San Juan Mountains and our northern mountains, but mainly in the highest peaks above 9,000 feet. That's where you're going to see heavy snow continuing through the day and overnight tonight. Winter storm warnings in effect there until 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. For the rest of the state, we're going to see more breezy conditions, but especially windy across the east slopes of the central mountain chain up to the northeast and east central plains, and temperatures are going to run about 10 to 15 degrees above average. This morning already starting off in the 30s and 40s, so well above the freezing mark in most locations. And for the metro area, we're going to see highs near 60 today, then in the low to mid 50s with a chance for a few showers Wednesday and Thursday.
Thanks a lot, Kristen, and thank you for joining us. For continuous news and weather updates, you can log on to KRQE.com. Be sure to join us bright and early tomorrow morning, 5 a.m.